Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you are preparing well for your exam, right? Okay, we are in the class now. Class 3. What is your subject? That is science. Okay, science. Fine. I have sent the one more. Okay. Today we are going to discuss what is the pattern. Already I have told you that we are having the 5 questions for the very short as well as 5 for 10 marks, means 2 marks questions will be there and the one is a diagram. So today I am going to tell you the first of all the diagram, how you are going to draw. It is the 5 marks diagram, parts of the leaf. You should practice parts of the leaf and as well as some of the animals also. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss about the creepy and crawly animals, that is the dog fart. We are going to discuss about creepy and crawly animals. Creepy and crawly animals. Okay. Already we have learned about it. Right, this is the block 5, creepy and crawly animals. What is meant by creepy and crawly animals here? Animals which walk very slowly or called as creepy animals or crawly animals. Means most of the insects will walk very slowly. So they may crawl or they may creep. So that we are going to discuss that creepy and crawly animals. Right. Mostly the insects will be in the part of this topic. We can see the insect body is divided into mainly 3 parts. Body parts of the insect is also a most important diagram. You should practice body parts of the insect as well as parts of a leaf. These 2 diagrams. In this I am going to give you one. Body parts of insect, and next parts of a leaf. These are the 2 diagrams you should learn. This is only the today's homework. You should draw the both body parts of the insect as well as parts of the leaf. Right. If the most important thing, the body part of the insect is divided into 3 parts. First one is the head, thorax, and abdomen. What we have divided? Head, thorax, and abdomen. Mainly the insects are having 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Because of that, their body structure is divided. Yes. One more thing. Each and every insect or every animal need to move from one place to another place in search of the food, or you can say, or in search of to escape from the animals or to escape from the predators. They will move from one place to another place. Now we are going to look after the food habits of insects. Can you name some of the insects? Food habits of insects, like butterfly. Butterfly will suck nectar from flowers. Right. Next, what you can see here, butterfly suck nectar from the flowers. And what about the remaining insects like ant? And what is the ant food? Can you tell me? Yes, all types of sweets. It will eat all types of sweets like chocolate, biscuit, bread, anything, whatever the sweet item, sugar, anything which will be very sweet in taste. It will be eaten by ant. Next one, housefly. Housefly will drink the liquid foods. Houseflies will drink liquid foods like ice cream, juices, next what we call jam, like that. Housefly will eat the liquid types of food. And next one, grasshopper. Grasshopper will eat grass. The name itself it is having the here the grasshopper. Means it will be hopping in the grass. Hopping means jumping from one place to another place in the grass. The color is also in the green color. So that the grasshopper will eat grass. Next, you can see the caterpillar. What do caterpillar eat? Caterpillar also will eat leaves, mulberry leaves, mostly mulberry leaves. Because the caterpillar, when it is going to become a butterfly, at that time it should be eaten the most of the food items. So the leaves, it will live on the tree as well as it is going to eat most of the leaves and complete its lifespan. This is about the food habits of an insect. Next, we are going to look after the what we call how the animals will or the insects will jump. Movement of insects. Movement in insects. Okay. Can you tell me what type of movements will be there in insects like a butterfly or anything? Yes. They can run or jump. They may jump. They may poke. They may crawl. Creep. Right? Yes. If you observe the grasshopper, it will be hopping. Hopping insect is grasshopper. Grasshopper. And next, crawling, especially cockroach. Cockroach. Next, creeping animal, caterpillar. Caterpillar. And next, jumping. Mostly they jump from one place to another place. What is that? Yes, that is cricket. Already I have shown you in the previous class. Now also I am going to show you what we are going to learn in the topic. That is, first of all, movement in insects like they may jump, hop, crawl, or creep. Each and every insect is having different types of jumping or different types of movement, like crawling, jumping, hopping, all these things. Mostly the insects will use their hind legs. What they are going to use? Hind legs. Insects will use hind legs, wings, hind legs and wings. Wings are useful to fly in the sky, and the hind legs will be useful to move from one place to another place. And one more most important thing is here in our textbook, earthworm. Here the earthworm is also the best example for creeping animal. Earthworm also will creep, means very slowly, it will walk very slowly, because it is a what we call nocturnal animal. Means it comes only in the night time or quite possible. Because the daytime it is dry because of the sun. Sun will dry up within the skin because only night time also. We will discuss about in detail by using our PPT. Okay. Come back to PPT. Now we are going to discuss about creepy and crawling animals. If you observe here the different types of insects which are there in our textbook, right? First one, yes, this is the grasshopper. Already we know about it. It is having a very big hind legs. Because of the hind legs, it can jump from one place to another place. This is the honeybee. What is this one? Honeybee. It is also having three pairs of legs. Normally, each and every insect is having 3 pairs of legs. Okay. Butterfly food habit also you can see here what type of food habit it is having. Yes. Suck nectar. Okay. Next one is housefly. This is burger. Next, this is a fly, dragonfly, and this is the spider. Every insect is having 3 pairs of legs as well as body is divided into 3 parts. What is the first part? Yes, if you observe any animal, this is the abdomen. Last part is called as the abdomen. Middle part is called as thorax. And the first part is called as the head. On the head, what will be there? Eyes, especially eyes you can see. And next one, some of the insects are having a string-like structures or the straw-like structures. Here you can see. These are called as antennae. What we call them? Antennae. Because of the antennae, if you observe any insect, here it is having antennae. Here it is having, here same. Every insect is having antennae, which helps to smell. And where they want to go, or any insect is going to attack, or either of the insect attack chestunna lepothe other predators vastunara ani chuskodaniki but the antenna use అవుతుంది. Right, this is about our creepy and crawly others first picture. Now we are going to look after our second one. Yes, body parts of the insect. In your textbook also they have given body parts of the insect. It is the most important diagram. Please try to draw it. Today's topic is also that only. Body parts of the insect as well as parts of the leaf. These two you should draw. Okay. Body parts of the insect. How many body parts are there? 3 body parts. Already we have discussed. What is this one? This is the head. And this is thorax. This is the abdomen. And next one, these two are wings, which helps to fly. And next one, these are the legs. Because of the legs, they can crawl. They can crawl on ground. With the antennae, they can smell. What they are going to do? They can smell the things. Mostly the body parts of the insect is divided into mostly head, thorax and abdomen. Only these 3. Afterwards you can write the remaining like wings, legs, antennae, all those. This is about the body parts of the insect. Right. Now we are going to see the third picture. Yes. Body is divided into 3 parts like head, thorax and abdomen. Next. Butterfly. What is the food habit of butterfly here? Butterfly can suck the nectar from the flowers. With the help of the 2 straw-like structures in the body of a butterfly, it can suck the nectar. మనకి ఎలా అయితే మౌత్ ఉంటుందో వాటి కూడా సకింగ్ కోసం ఒక చిన్న స్ట్రా లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుంది బటర్ఫ్లై కి. They can suck the nectar. If the hummingbird beak is also like straw, so that it can also suck nectar from the flowers. Yesterday we have discussed about features of the bird, right? In that also we have discussed hummingbird is having a straw-like beak. Here the butterfly is having straw-like antenna which helps to drink the nectar from flowers. Okay. Next one. We are going to see the next picture, that is, yes, ant eats sugar. What is the main food of the ant here? Sugar. You can observe here clearly the sugar on the picture. Mostly not only the sugar, all types of sweet items like chocolate, biscuit, anything which will be the leftover can be eaten by insects like ant. Next, we are going to see about housefly. Yes, housefly. You can see here. What is this picture? This is the ice cream. Mostly housefly will drink the liquid foods like ice cream. Or means ice cream will be the solid. When it is cool. Cool ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే సాలిడ్ గా ఉంటుంది. కూలింగ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత లిక్విడ్ లా మారుతుంది. అందుకోసం మనకి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే లిక్విడ్ సెమీ లిక్విడ్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ తింటుంది. లైక్ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కానీ జ్యూసెస్ కానీ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేమంటారు సలాడ్స్ నెక్స్ట్ అలాంటివన్నీ తినేది ఏంటిది బటర్ సో హౌస్ ఫ్లై. Yes, next one is the grasshopper. Grasshopper will eat leaves. The color of the grasshopper will matches with the leaves. Because the grasshopper is in the green color, the same manner the leaves will be in the green color or the grass will be in the green color. So it can hide itself inside the leaves or inside the grass. Grasshopper ఏంటంటే green color లో ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి grass తో కలిసిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి అది predators నుంచి లేదా animals నుంచి escape అయిపోతుంది. ఇంకోటి దాని ఫుడ్ ఏంటి mainly leaves. You can see here the hind legs. The hind legs కనిపిస్తున్నా చాలా పెద్దగా ఇంత పొడుగు ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంది. Because of the strong muscles in hind legs, it can jump or hop. దానికి చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ మజిల్స్ ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మీకు చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. మిగతా లెగ్స్ కంటే హైండ్ లెగ్స్ చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. ఆ లెగ్స్ అంత స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి ఇట్ కెన్ జంప్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ లెగ్ టు అనదర్ లెగ్. డైరెక్ట్ గా ఒక లెగ్ నుంచి ఇంకో లెగ్ కి జంప్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ యూ కెన్ సీ హౌ ద స్ట్రాంగ్ ద మజిల్స్ ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఉన్నాయో మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. గ్రాస్‌హోపర్ ఫుడ్ ఏంటి? లీవ్స్. హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు జంప్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ప్లేస్ టు అనదర్ ప్లేస్? బై యూజింగ్ హైండ్ లెగ్స్. It can fly by using its wings. It can fly by using its wings. Yes. Yes, you can see the cockroach. Here is the cockroach. Cockroach is also the same animal which is having the strong hind legs. Hind legs are strong on that, so it can crawl or it can jump from one place to another place. And then cricket, cockroach as well as grasshopper. These three insects are having very, very strong hind legs. Because of that hind legs, they can jump from one place to another place. Its food is, cockroach food is all types of leftovers, not only the sweet, sugar, salt, any type of food. Sweet ga unnadi salty ga unnadi ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ అయినా లెఫ్ట్ ఓవర్ ఫుడ్ ఏదైనా కంపల్సరీ తినేది ఎవరు? cockroach. Right. And next we are going to see caterpillar. You can see the caterpillar how it is crawling on the stem leaves. Right. Caterpillar will eat all types of leaves, mostly mulberry leaves. Mulberry leaves ఎక్కువ తింటుంది and it will be transformed into butterfly laga చేయగలదు. It will crawl by using its legs. చాలా చిన్న legs ఉంటాయి. Very many legs. అంటే చాలా చిన్న legs ఉంటాయి. అందుకోసం అనేది crawling animal అవుతుంది. Grasshopper can hop. Already I showed you. This is the hind legs. Because of this hind legs, it is jumping from one place to another place. And next, cockroach walks or crawl. Walks and చెప్పొచ్చు లేదా crawl అని చెప్పొచ్చు. Because of the hind legs, it can walk easily. Next one we are going to see earthworm. Useful earthworm. Earthworm body ఏంటంటే చాలా సాఫ్ట్ గా, ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే వెట్టిగా, స్కిన్ మాయిస్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. Why it is having a moist skin? Because it will live inside the soil. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది earthworm? Inside the soil ఉంటుంది. Next, it will be found in the brown color or the black color or reddish color. ఇలా 3 types of colors లో ఉంటుంది. Earthworm is the most useful animal. Earthworm లేకపోతే మన soil fertilizer change కాదు. So earthworm is the most useful animal. Next, who is called the farmer's friend here? Why is an earthworm called a friend of a farmer? Friend of the farmer evaranta? Earthworm. Earthworms are very good for the soil as the fertile pit and the tunnels. Earthworms are very good for soil. Chala important soil ki they will fertilize. Fertilize and how we will going to spray some of the fertilizers. మనం పంట పండించినప్పుడు fertilizers చల్లుతారు. Natural fertilizer గా మనం యూస్ చేసే యానిమల్ ఏంటి? earthworm. And it dig tunnels. Tunnels అంటే చిన్న holes చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. They fertilize it by waste which is beneficial for the plant growth, and the tunnels allow the oxygen and water reach the roots of the plant easily. Our holes వల్ల ఆక్సిజన్ వాటర్ కంపల్సరీగా రూట్ లోకి డైరెక్ట్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. And next, దాని యొక్క waste. Earthworm will feed. Earthworm will eat what type of things? Leaves and soil. Leaves and soil. Earthworm will food ఏంటి? Earthworm's food is leaves and soil. Earthworm ఎప్పుడు తినే ఫుడ్ ఏంటి? Leaves కానీ soil కానీ తింటుంది. ఈ two food items తింటుంది. ఆ two food items excretory material or you can say waste. Waste గా బయటకు పంపించినప్పుడు soil కి చాలా fertile గా తయారవుతుంది ఆ soil. So earthworm is most useful or the beneficial animal for the farm. Right. This is about our earthworm. Now we are going to see the one more. Last one. Yes. Answers. Insects have dash legs. How many legs? 6 legs. 3 pairs I told you. Totally 6 legs. Insects have dash body parts. 3 body parts. Insects are having 3 body parts. Insects have head, thorax, and what's the next one? Yes, abdomen. Insects have two string-like structures. Sorry, exoskeleton. You should write. 2 antennae. Having 2 antennae here. Next. Some insects can bite or sting. Oni bite ana chesta leda kuttana kodade lekapothe direct poison ana vadutadi. Insect have an exoskeleton. What if paina skin meeda koncham gatti nature unna dani exoskeleton antaru. But this word is not in your text, so don't worry about it. Okay. Now we have completed our PPT. We are going back for stop. Open the first class. My name is Roman. Yes, this one. Yes, sir. This is the third parts of the leaf. I told you to practice the things like parts of the leaf as well as what I told you the next one, parts of the insect. These two are the most important diagrams you should practice for essay 1. Right. Now I am going to ask you some of the questions. I will explain about the parts of the leaf also, then I will go for the questions. Right. Already this is the diagram from the, this is the picture from which topic, can you tell me? Yes, from the block 1. All about leaves. All about leaves. All about leaves. If you observe here in the picture, already I am starting in the starting class only I told you that the leaf is having the many parts. The outer parts are called as margins. What we call them? Margins. And in the middle you can see thread-like structures, or you can see the lines in between. These are called as veins. What we call them? Veins. In the middle, a straight line you can see there. Yes, that is called as a midline. Okay. Next, you can see at the end a strong structure or very hard-like structure. That is called as the stalk. In between the veins, a small gap. This gap, you can see the gap. This gap is called as the leaf bed. The gap between veins are called as a leaf bed. Yes, this is the parts of the leaf you should learn for your essay bank. Okay. Come back to the board, children. Now I am going to ask you some of the questions. Yes. Everyone, please unmute. Gagan, sit properly first of all. Sit straight. Kriti. Okay. Didi, you wrote the answers very well. Yesterday, right? I was very happy.
What, teacher?
What? You are not understanding my voice.
Voice is breaking.
Everything is in the clear manner only here. Okay, fine. Another word. What we have discussed today? Can you tell me the name? Block name?
CRAWLY animals.
Okay. Can you tell me the example of the creepy and crawly animals?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper, okay. Some other insects also.
Spider.
Spider, very good. Grasshopper will jump or will walk
Jump.
by using it, sir? By using it?
Spider climb.
Okay. Spider will fly. But what we have discussed, jumping animals, grasshopper is having what type of legs? Already we have discussed it here. It is there on the board.
Hind legs.
Hind legs, very good. What is the food of grasshopper?
Wings.
What is the food of the grasshopper?
Grass.
Grass, very good. Fine. I am giving the star for you, Kiriti. And one more thing, you should practice. Today's homework I am going to give you the parts of the insect as well as parts of the leaf. You should draw it and send it back. And one more thing, these two are the two important diagrams which are going to be coming in the XA one. You should practice it. Two, I am going to choose one. The two diagrams which mean our diagram is a compulsory with logic along with the parts. Kiriti, only when you are the first person, first consider your class, everything is up front. Okay? Right. Mute yourself. Next, Gagan.
Voice is breaking. Voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking. Okay. Fine. First it properly. Look at me. Who is the friend of farmer? Who is the friend of farmer? Who is the friend of farmer? Just now we have recorded. Before that in the PPT is the last. Huh?
Earthworm.
Yes, very good. Earthworm. Where do earthworm live? Economic earthworm.
Under the soil.
Under the soil. Very good. What food will be eaten by earthworm? A food will be earthworm. I have written on the board.
What, teacher?
Which food is eaten by earthworm? Naming.
Voice is breaking.
Which food is eaten by earthworm? A food తింటుంది earthworm. అసలు అది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందని చెప్పారు దానికి అండర్ సాయిల్ ఏం చెప్తుంది మరి guess the answer. Already we have written on the board also in the PPT. Soil and leaves. What is the answer? Just now I told you, Gagan. Hello.
Hello?
Okay. You did not got that answer. Will you tell me the two examples of insects or two names of the insects? Name any two insects. Gagan?
Teacher?
Any two insect names చెప్పు ఒకసారి.
Any?
Two insect name na. Your voice is not clear.
Housefly?
Housefly. Okay, housefly. Only you have seen a housefly. Ant. What type of food is eaten by ant? A food in the ant. It is there on the board already. Huh?
Sweet.
Sweets. Okay, what type of food is eaten by housefly? It is there on the board also. Huh?
Housefly drinks liquid food.
Liquid food. Okay.
Housefly eats liquid.
Yes, Gagan, you got the correct answer. I am going to start for you. Now mute yourself. Hasnik. Hasnik. Unmute. Huh? He left her. Hasnik. Okay, that's what I can do. Okay, fine. Gagan, once again, you should learn what type of diagrams will you tell me?
What teacher?
Which diagrams I told you to learn? Diagrams.
Where?
Here it is there. Will you read for me first?
What?
Read this one. You can't see. Ah, okay. Now read. I told you to read this point.
Body parts of insect, parts of leaf.
Yes. These are the two diagrams you should draw and you should learn it, right? For essay. Fine. Come back to the board once. Yes. Yes, children, we have discussed about the creepy and crawly animals. I think we have understood once again the topic. Right. You told the right answers also. I was happy with your answers. Try to read the textbook. Textbook is the most important thing. If you have not buy the textbooks, try to buy the textbooks. And yesterday I have sent you the notes. Then in notes computer. WhatsApp lo meeku notes vachindi already. Mere notes complete chesi unchali. In the tomorrow's class I am going to ask you to show your notes. Please let me notes naku open chesi chupinchali class lo. Right? Okay. I am going to send you the worksheet, today's homework. Get ready for it and try to complete it and ready for your essay also. Okay, children, bye. We will meet in the next class.